we have got relatively less number of people on the street. What is called feet on the street is relatively less. That is one. The second reason is, I should be pardoned for that, people are not very keen on long-term savings in Fiji. Even though I have landed here just 3 months back, what I understand is a long-term savings vision is lacking here. People are not really keen to think about the future. Everybody is happy. You know, Fiji is one of the happiest places in the world. I don't know if you know that. On the happiness index, Fiji ranks really nearly on the top because they are just not bothered about the future. We'll see tomorrow. You know, I don't know how far this is true. I don't have any concrete evidence for this. What my colleagues, my friends have told me. This may be one of the reasons. The options for long-term savings are relatively limited. The vision that I will also retire one day, today I am 30, today I am 40, after 55, after 60, what will happen to me? People are not really worried. They should worry actually. They should really, really worry, but somehow they don't worry. I think they believe in the adage, ignorance is bliss, you know. Something about which you are not aware. If you are ignorant, you will be very happy, blissfully happy. So that may be one of the reasons. I am hoping that I am proved wrong and what I am saying is not correct. But I am sure I am correct. There is a problem actually. The long-term vision, you know, savings mentality is lacking, which we try to inculcate. I have been telling my agents over the last 3 months since I am here, please tell your people, your customers, your prospects, your relations, your neighbors, your friends, think about the future. It's nice to be happy today. Good. It's very important to be happy. Let us not remain very sad and morose. What will happen tomorrow? My God, don't do that. But spare a thought for tomorrow also. Spare a thought. What is called in English, a rainy day. You have to save for your rainy day. So that thing is slightly lacking in Fiji. I am not saying Fiji is the only country on this planet where this mentality exists. Entire world is similar. In India, we say all Indians are brothers and sisters. Actually, entire world, all the citizens of the world are human beings of the world are brothers and sisters only when it comes to this kind of thinking. So both the reasons. One is lack of this long-term vision in terms of planning, savings for the retirement, and of course we are not reaching also. When my agents will reach and they will try to convince a fellow, I think he will get convinced.